Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download an artifact from Claude AI. So first of all, come here on claude.ai and then log in into your account in order to get access to the Claude AI's dashboard. Now over here, simply hover over to the left hand side and among the given chats and the tasks, you just have to open that particular conversation that is containing the artifact, and you need to also select the artifact panel on the right hand side. So as you can see, I have this artifact created. So when you are here on this page, in order to download it, simply just click on this drop down menu, and here you are going to see two options. So first we have the option of download as JSX, and the second option is of publish the artifact. So you can first publish the artifact and then you can download it, or you can directly download this JSX file. So simply click on this particular option and the JSX file is going to be downloaded in your device. So the file type depends on what you created. For example, a website or interactive artifact can be downloaded as an HTML file, while other types of artifact types may use their appropriate file format. For me, it was in JSX, but in your case, it can be with any other format. So that's how you can download it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.